and welcome to another edition of Destination Bacon. And on today's episode, we're going to make a super simple treat. It's the fall, apples are in season, so we're going to make a bacon-wrapped cinnamon brown sugar apple bites. Stay tuned for this week's episode. Today we're using Granny Smith apples. They're my personal favorite because they're just, in my opinion, super crisp, and they've sort of got that sweet yet tangy bite to them. And I think that the savoriness of the bacon and the sweetness of the brown sugar is just going to offset these Granny Smith apples really well. However, you should use your favorite apple no matter what that might be. Any kind of apple will work in this recipe. So let's go ahead and start slicing them. While you're slicing your apples, you're going to want to preheat your oven to 350 degrees. You can use your favorite bacon. I only had thick cut bacon, which I felt like would be too hard to wrap these apple slices. So I literally ran to the dollar store and got some of the Smithfield hickory smoked thin sliced bacon. So this is what I'm going to be using. Okay, I am literally going to sprinkle some cinnamon on top of these apple slices. Have to do a lot, but you know, make sure it all gets coated. And then you're going to start wrapping your apple slices with your bacon. Easy peasy. And then put it down on your baking sheet. And then after you get them wrapped, you will do a little bit of brown sugar on top. So I'll sprinkle these with brown sugar next. Next, let's take a little bit of brown sugar and sprinkle it over the top of our apple slices. Take a little bit. Now you can put your apple slices on parchment paper, but I am just using this grilling sheet. I like this because, in my opinion, your bacon kind of gets cooked because there's air underneath it. I may flip these one time, but I just prefer cooking with this type of apparatus. Okay, in the oven they go for 25 to 30 minutes at 350 degrees. And I may flip them. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. So I just checked on them after about 12 minutes, and I think they're doing fine. I'm not going to flip them over. We're going to let them go the full 25 minutes, and then we're going to put it on broil to get that bacon crispy. Alrighty, so here they are. I'm going to, this is after about 25 minutes, I'm going to put it on broil now. And that way we'll get an extra good for just a couple minutes on broil. And that way the bacon will really be crispy. You can hear them sizzling. Here they are. I ended up putting them on broil for about just under 3 minutes. These guys are going to get plated and cooled before we do our taste test. Okay, I've plated them up. Here they are. All nice and melty and brown sugary. So we are going to give it the taste test now. Okay, here we go. Oh, that apple. It is super soft. And of course, the bacon is just so smoky and flavorful. The cinnamon. I mean, come on, guys. Cinnamon and apples go together. Brown sugar and cinnamon go together. So what could be even better than bacon, green apples, cinnamon, and brown sugar? All four. It's sweet. The cinnamon, the cinnamon and the apple combination, it just makes me happy, like I'm eating a fall apple pie. Wow. That was insanely easy to make. Super fast. You guys have to try this. A great snack or appetizer for any time. All right, guys, you know what to do. Please give me a thumbs up. Comment below if you try this recipe, and there's all kinds of ways to kind of switch it up, right? So you don't have to use cinnamon or brown sugar. You could use something else. You could drizzle this with caramel. Ooh, you could, maybe if you wanted a little spicy, you could also maybe wrap, or like put some little jalapeno slices on top to give it a kick. I don't know. You alter it to your taste buds. All right, guys, thanks for watching, and I will see you next time on Destination Bacon. Bye!